Hello, everybody. It's Tiffany from The Organized Option, and I'm here today with my travel organized tip for you. So one of the things that happens when we travel is we pack a suitcase and we've got a stack of underwear, a stack of t-shirts, stack of pants, whatever it is. And then when you need to pull those things out of your suitcase, becomes a mess. So change your travel thought and think about organizing by outfit. This is our number 2 Create-A case. And in this little case, handle on the top, you can see what's in it because it's clear. I have got an entire outfit stored in this case so that when I get to my destination and I need whatever I was planning on wearing on Saturday, right here, I've got the jewelry, I've got the undergarments, I've got a full-size blouse. So when you're looking at this little bag, you're thinking she doesn't have a full outfit in there, but I do. I've got the big pants, right? Full-size jeans, wide leg, heavy denim. They fit in there with no problem. And I've even got a pair of platform sandals. So when you think about traveling and traveling organized, think about the number 2 Create-A case from the Organized Option. You are going to love it for travel and so much more. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when you're not using it, look how small and flat it is. You can just fold it up, stuff it in the pocket of your suitcase. You're going to love that too.